A person is deciding whether to move to a new town and asks a Zen master if it's a good place to live or if the people there are nice. The Zen master responds by asking the visitor, "How were the people in the town where you come from?" The visitor replies that the people in their old town were nasty, greedy, and dishonest. The master then says, "Those are exactly the type of people we have in this village." Another newcomer asks the same question, and this visitor says, "Respectful and caring, they are wonderful people who live in harmony with each other." The master then replies, "Those are exactly the type of people we have in this village." Moral: the world is what we see. Perspective shapes reality. The story highlights that the goodness or badness of a place is subjective and depends on the observer's mindset and experiences. A person who is inherently negative will find negativity everywhere, while someone with a positive outlook will find positivity.